I'm Glenn!
And Nata! Welcome back to our YouTube channel! Ang gagatahin namin ngayon ay...
ABCDs of Accounting.
Para sa accounting people out there, sabayan niyo po kami habang kami kumakanta ng ABCs of Accounting! Let's go!
ABCDs of Accounting.
A is for accrual, accrual.
A is for assets, assets.
B is for bookkeeping, bookkeeping.
B is for balance sheet, balance sheet.
C is for cash flows, cash flows.
C is for credit, credit.
D is for depreciation.
D is for debtor, debtor.
E is for expenses, expenses.
E is for entry, entry.
F is for finance, finance.
F is for fair value, fair value.
G is for goodwill, goodwill.
G is for gap.
H is for hidden asset.
H is for home office deduction,
I is for IAS.
I is for investment, investment.
J is for journal, journal.
J is for job costing, job costing.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. K is for key currency.
K is for knowledge capital, knowledge capital.
L is for loss.
L is for liability, liability.
M is for market share.
M is for marginal analysis,
N is for net income.
N is for non-profit org,
O is for owner's equity.
O is for overhead cost,
P is for purchases.
P is for partnership, partnership.
Q is for quotation.
Q is for quota.
R is for receipts.
R is for revolving fund, revolving fund.
S is for sales.
S is for salvage value, salvage value.
T is is for trial, balance, trial, balance, trial, balance.
T is for account, account.
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. U is for unearned revenue, unearned revenue, unearned revenue. U is for unlimited liability, unlimited liability.
V is for vendor, vendor, vendor.
B is for variance, variance.
W is for working capital, working capital, working capital.
W is for holdings, with holdings.
X is for exit strategy, exit strategy, exit strategy.
X is efficiency, efficiency.
Y is for YTD, YTD, YTD.
Y is for yield, yield.
D is for zero balance, zero balance, zero balance.
Z is zero-based budgeting, zero-based budgeting. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Hope you enjoy our version of ABCDs of Accounting.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, watch our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to
Subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss our latest videos and kulitan.
Bye!
Bye!